Stop, you don't need any money on ads for dropshipping earning, okay? Because in dropshipping, it's the secret method that in organic dropshipping you will earn 10k per month without any spending ads, okay? So let me show you a proof first of all. So this is the organic dropshipping search every month, and oh my god, the search result is 187,000, okay, 934, okay, so almost 200k every month search. So if you are delay, so your chance and your opportunity will take another dropshipper, okay my friend. So let me tell you step by step process how you will start organic dropshipping and what is the system to make 10k per month, okay? So because many of my clients from Europe, they are making 10k per month, okay? It's normal. So first of all, you have to find a winning product, okay? So don't sell random products. Use free tools like TikTok trends, Amazon movers and shakers, and AliExpress hot picks to find viral products, okay? Step 2, build high converting store. Yes, when customer will come to your store, they will see that if it's a brand store looks like, and it's a trustable, everything have, so they will definitely convert as sales, okay? Your goals will be to first of all to make viral video, okay? Then viral video, when you will make, your goal will be to bring the traffic to your website, okay, and then convert the traffic as a customer, okay? So use clear product description and high quality images. So this is step 2. Step 3, go viral with free traffic. Yeah, that's what I told at TikTok, Instagram Reels. It's now very popular. It's now trending. Many kids I saw under 15, under 14, they are making good amount of sales by only organic dropshipping, okay? So product videos daily, you have to upload at least 3 videos on these sites, also YouTube shorts, okay? And step 4, automate with fast shipping suppliers. Please don't use AliExpress or other like Alibaba or other supplier. You have to use private supplier. As I am a private supplier and agent, we always provide maximum 5 to 10 days shipping, okay? So, and also keep in mind that when you will choose a product, in the next video I will show you step by step, gradually everything it will come, that how you will find a winning product. You have to find products, and then among them you have to choose what is a good product, what is a bad product, okay? And also many psychology, many things, many strategy, many hooks, a lot of things I will talk with you, okay? So this is the final and shortcut way, and this is also a secret and strategically effective systems to build a organic dropshipping, okay? Just from now, you go on TikTok, Instagram and scroll, okay? Just find a good product and comment below what product you get. Also in my inbox, in my description, you will see my contact details. You can always, anytime you can contact me, okay? I will knock, okay? Or also comment below, don't forget to comment. Every comment I will reply, okay? Because it's a big opportunity. Without any spend of dollar on ads, you can earn lot of money on organic dropshipping, okay? So thank you so much guys. So please subscribe. Stop, you don't need any money.